Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to sign in your Microsoft account. Let's get started. So to do that, you have to open up a browser. So you can select any browser you like. I'm using Microsoft Edge. So after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for account.microsoft.com. And after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says Microsoft account, sign in or create your account. Now in order to sign into your account, you just have to tap on sign in, which is on the middle of your screen, or you can also find that option in top right. After tapping on that option, now you have to enter your email address. After entering your email address and password, you'll successfully sign into your account. That's it guys, this is how to sign into your Microsoft account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.